Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. It is currently almost 3 o'clock in the morning, and I literally just realized Amazon left my package downstairs. Literally left my package downstairs. So I had to go all the way downstairs to collect my package. I literally had to get out of my bed, which was so annoying. But anyway, guys, I hope you're well. As you can see, this is a homedics soothing massage for tired feet. Because as you know, I suffer from plantar fasciitis. But my plantar fasciitis ain't even that bad anymore. Because I've got, like, as you can see from my previous videos, foot rollers and so forth for my feet. And I've started wearing more comfortable shoes and not as much stilettos. So guys, I'm gonna unbox this, so unbox this with me, and please make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you watch this full video and like the video as well. Guys, honestly, Amazon really need to stop what they're doing. Really need to stop what they're doing. Guys, you know, every time I'm sent something or I purchase something, you know, I never open these things without you guys, and you guys know that. Oh, it's quite big, guys, and it feels good. It feels good. My voice is gone. So guys, the manual, and it's a foot massager with heat, and I actually wasn't aware of that. Say hi to Lorna. So guys, this is just a manual for those of you that are just a bit more cautious than others. So as you can see, it says always ensure the appliance is set to off before inserting the plug into the mains. Always use the massager on the floor. To activate the massager, press the power button, position your feet over the rotating massage heads, and apply a level of pressure that feels comfortable for you. Guys, I'm absolutely excited. Luna is excited. We're all excited. Right, guys, I want to get my legs on this and see how this feels. Sorry, not my legs, my feet. So guys, I would presume that when you're using a machine like this, you should be sitting down. So I'm going to carefully place my feet on top and press the power button. Oh my gosh. Woo! Guys, this feels absolutely amazing, but I feel like I need to come closer, because it clearly says apply as much pressure as you need. So you can even apply pressure to your legs. Guys, it feels amazing. It feels amazing, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if you want to know more about this product. Bye, guys. So guys, I didn't even know that when you press the button twice, I think that's when the heat comes on. Guys, it feels absolutely amazing. Sorry guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hi guys, so my second and third package arrived a couple of hours after in the morning. Sorry I sound like this, I just feel really ill. But yeah guys, let's get this open and let's see what's in there. Guys, these came in the first package. I love getting dolled up, especially when, you know, going out, special events. And as you can see, I have some really nice hair clips, different styles, sort of look vintage. So yeah, guys, I cannot wait to get these in my hair, because I've been wearing my hair up a lot lately and it looks so cute. And I've also been wearing a lot of bows as well. I brought some lashes, not too long, they do curl up. It's always important to have lashes that curl up, it just looks a bit more natural, more girly. So yeah guys, like and like the videos. Like, let's get the likes up guys. So guys, this is the second package. What is this? This feels really hard. I'm thinking this is my canopy. Because I brought a canopy. I think this is my canopy, yeah. This is just basically like, if you don't know what a canopy is, it's basically like a cute, stylish fly net, mosquito net that you put over your bed. So I believe this is what this is. Yeah, I believe that's what that is. My wig, and then some TV LED backlights. This is just for the back of my TV for when we're having movie nights and everything, because I already have LED lights around my home. So yeah guys, we're gonna get this set up. Cannot wait. Obviously I can't do this, I'm only 5'4", so that's a job for him to do. Oh yeah guys, so if you want to see me open the wig, I'm gonna open it up and let you guys see. So guys, as you can see, it came in this really cute wig bag, really cute wig bag. As usual, as per usual, it comes with lashes, and obviously the wig cap, and this is the wig. This is a body wave wig, so it's different from the one that I currently wear now. This is more loose wave, you can do more with it, catch it up, lay it down. The two little bobbies at the side. There's loads you can do with this hair. So yeah, instead of me always having like a tight curled wig, I decided to get like a body wave wig instead. So yeah guys, when I'm styling it, I will surely do a video. The hair feels very soft. Oh, very soft, please. It comes with the elastic inside, which is really good. Which is really good, to keeping the hair in place. We've got the clips at the back, which is amazing. And yeah guys, and two clips at the side. And as you can see, the frontal, just like my other wig, the frontal at the top. How cute is this, guys? So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see how I customize and install my wigs. Bye, guys. So guys, I sort of like rush past the LED lights, but yeah, this is how it looks unboxed. Comes with a nice little fancy remote, much more bigger than my other one. And these are the strips. And I'm not sure if you've got to charge them. I'm guessing you do have to charge them because there is a charger attached. There is a manual, of course, which will tell you all of these things. Oh, I think you've got to plug it into your TV. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Please make sure that the surface is smooth, flat, clean, and dry before sticking the LED strips on the TV or the side of a stickable surface. Make a decision on the shape or the strip winding depending on the size of the TV. So you're meant to select how big your TV is, your plasma. You basically choose that on Amazon as well, and it basically just shows you what to do. So yeah, this is a USB port that goes into your TV, and yeah, I think it's quite easy to stick up, guys. And I think these already have the sticky notes at the back to hang it up. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.